Why are IP registration and litigation costs so high? Imagine trying to protect a new invention or brand, but every step costs a lot more than you expected. That's often what happens with intellectual property registration and legal battles. You might wonder why it costs so much to get a patent or trademark and then defend it if someone challenges you. The truth is, these costs add up because of how complicated and detailed the process is. First, registering a patent or trademark involves a lot of work and expertise. For patents, you need to pay government fees that depend on the size of your business. These fees can start around a few $100s but go much higher if your invention is complex. Hiring a patent attorney to prepare your application can cost from several $1,000s to over $15,000. They need to carefully describe your invention and write claims that protect it legally. This takes time and skill because the application must be precise and thorough. For trademarks, filing fees per class of goods or services usually range from about $225 to $600. If you want to register in multiple classes or with different types of applications, costs increase. Plus, you need to pay renewal fees every 5 to 10 years to keep your registration active, which adds to the long-term expenses. Second, legal battles over intellectual property can be very costly. When someone infringes on your rights or you need to defend your patent or trademark, you often have to go to court. Litigation involves hiring specialized lawyers who understand the technical details of patents and trademarks. These cases can take years to resolve and involve many steps like discovery, depositions, and expert witnesses. Patent lawsuits are especially expensive because they often involve technical experts explaining complex inventions. Legal fees for these cases can reach hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars, especially if the case goes to trial. Third, maintaining your intellectual property rights also costs money. Trademark owners pay for monitoring services to catch potential infringements early. If they find someone using their mark without permission, they might need to take legal action, which is costly. Patents requiring paying maintenance fees at set intervals to keep them in force. These fees can be several $1,000s depending on the country and the age of the patent. All these costs come from the need for specialized legal and technical knowledge, the complexity of preparing applications, and the expense of enforcing rights. The process is designed to protect your intellectual property carefully, but that protection comes with a financial price tag. It's a big investment, but it helps ensure your inventions and brands are legally protected from others copying or stealing them.